To start a trading business and earn free crypto, Coins.io is the best for you. Coins.io is a peer-to-peer marketplace where you can earn, trade, and spend bitcoins, ALT coins, and tokens, and also can buy gift cards. Transactions are from one user to another through a proprietary ecosystem to ensure the security of the process. What is peer-to-peer marketplace? A peer-to-peer marketplace allows interaction between sellers and consumers without an intermediary so that users can quickly and easily exchange products and services. It is important to remember that the success of a peer-to-peer marketplace platform is defined by the services and opportunities that are available to the users. How does it work with score system on Coins.io? When a trader makes an offer for the purpose of transactions with other members, the transaction amount goes directly at first to Coins.io. When other members are interested in the offer which was made by the trader, then the amount of crypto transferred to purchase the product goes directly to the offer maker. Then the amount of product that transferred before to Coins.io from offer maker will be paid to that member. This process is completely secure.
How can you earn crypto from Coins.io? To earn crypto, you have to participate on Bounty. So, you need a Facebook account with minimum 100 friends, a Twitter account with minimum 100 followers, a blog or an article writing profile account, and a YouTube channel with minimum 100 subscribers. After fulfill all requirements, you can participate and earn crypto easily by completing tasks as instructions from Coins.io.
Let's see all task instructions. First of all, to complete Twitter Bounty, you have to follow Coins.io Twitter account. Then you have to like and retweet a post which is not older than 14 days. After like and retweet, take a screenshot and submit it to Coins.io Twitter Bounty. You can submit maximum 5 times in a week, 2 times. Every time you will earn 3 USDT in 5 times, total 15 USDT coin you can earn. Next bounty is Facebook Bounty. Facebook Bounty task instruction almost same as Twitter Bounty. You have to like Coins.io Facebook page, then like and share Coins.io post, take a screenshot and submit. You can also earn 15 USDT for 5 times sharing and submitting. Next bounty is article writing bounty. To post an article about Coins.io must contain minimum of 500 words. In article must include at least one link to Coins.io. Article must be written in English. You can write article and submit post link maximum 3 times, maximum 1 article per week. In total 3 times you can earn up to 30 to 150 USDT coin. Last bounty is YouTube Bounty. To complete YouTube Bounty task, you have to make a video about Coins.io. Video length will maximum 3 minutes. Maximum 2 videos per participant, maximum 1 video per week. In total 2 videos, you can earn 20 to 200 USDT coin.